So this is me talking about how you could craft software architecture with GenAI. I took this sort of diagram and I said, give me some recommendations of what can be improved, or tell me what's wrong with this. And I got this. The main idea here that I want to highlight, I would like you to think about what makes a great software architect in the end. Because it's easy when you get a lot of data to miss something. And that also relates to the last point here, scope creep. So for example, think about the use case when I tried generating user stories. I got a lot of ideas. So my model really enjoyed talking. Ask your GenAI model to give you responses in a certain template. So that's also, you don't need to reinvent the wheel every time you talk with your GenAI friend. I promised you this was going to be the key final thoughts, but I also promised in the beginning that I have a small experiment and a small example that I want to show you. There are many ways in which we can benefit from using GenAI in our day-to-day work as software architects. We can think about doing requirements analysis and requirements management, but also about constraints analysis and limitations. You can think about doing concept and visualization work, taking feedback, understanding it and implementing it into our systems. It can also help us do more efficient communication and coordination with the teams that we work with. So yeah, these are only a few cases that we need to explore, and we are lucky that we get to explore them right now, and we can understand the technology and the way it can help us. So over the past 3 months, I've been working on an experiment, on a project where I try to understand how we can benefit from GenAI, exploring all these use cases that I mentioned. So we are talking about hundreds and hundreds of conversations I had with the GenAI tool. Hours of experimenting and trying different use cases. It was only in this practical way that I got to understand how we can benefit from this kind of tools.